You'll work on that, guys, today. As you can see, I'm going to be doing a 2 million coin pack opening. So yeah. This Macabre packed. So yeah, I haven't been playing this game for too long because I took up my new phone not long ago, so yeah, packed him. Got a few decent packs like you can see there. But there's lightning round and I've got 2 million coins. See how many chances. Let's do it. That's not great. Hold on. Oh, Friday. That's not bad. Increased chances back in the team here. 65k, man. That's just normal UCL. Vertical. That's not bad. That's right as well. Icon. That's an icon. Oh, yes. Wait. Oh, I thought it was who it, but Christ. What a pack. Man, alas, that's not too bad in info. Wow. Coming back in our team of the year. Walk out. It's not team of the year though. Don't be a troll. I've packed Thiago Silva 3 times there, man. It's good though. Ooh, important signature. Let me walk out. That's all that. Oh, it's a walk out. Come on, be a good one. Belgium. Hazard. Get in there. It's pretty decent. Got anyone else? We got anyone else in there? Jesus Christ, okay. It's not bad pack. Special packs. Another icon, are you crazy? Wait, striker? Van Basten. I've got Huit, Van Basten and Cruyff. Jeez. Christ. Inform. Not great. Ibra. We've got one of these left. What the heck? Oh, the man of the match. Oh. There's a Ramos though. Inform. Jesus. We'll go for one of these. I'm not really bothered about Team League players, really. Got one of these. Oh, Walker. Oh, Mill scored against Everton. No, we're winning 3-2 now. Oh, 90th minute. Oh. Wait. Hamels? Decent. Decent back opening, to be fair. Ooh, fitness pack. Alright then. Go for some of these. I'm gonna get our discard stuff. Oh, that's my club. 154k. That's decent. Normal UCL. Hernandez. It's not bad. Oh? No. Kagawa. Really? Oh, Walker. Oh my god. Wait. Firmino. Decent one. It's pretty decent. Can't complain about that at all. Kimpembe. We haven't had two bad players, but we could add a team of the year. Fortunately not 40k worth of those two cards. So, what have we got left? Go for this. Memphis Depay, that's alright. Chinese. Only team in your packed is Messi. I didn't actually win the weekend tournament. Oh, we got a walkout and we skipped it. Mertens. Nope. Gone. Whoa. Yes. Come on. Who's it? Griezmann. Getting there. Decent walkout. And Ibra again. Wow. Got two of these left. What's that? Oh, it's them. Oh, Van Dijk. Cheers. I'll have that. One more of these. Oh my god, please. I'm gonna be for me not getting it. I think it's the only one. No, Thiago Silva. What? That's sick. Okay, it's been quite a good pack opening to be fair. Jesus, we got Walker and Renato Sanchez. Right, what's our day card price? 58k. Oh, we need... Really? We'll try and get like 3 more K from this. And we'll open like a 83 overpack, see if we can get a walk out of it. Nah, actually, let's try and get Team of the Year in these packs. Probably not. Felipe Ruiz. Bang. Nope. Perrin. And 18k the card. And we can open 125k pack. And to the end of the video, we get Draxler. Pretty much. 11k. So this is what the club looks like now. Not too much of a difference like here, except Thiago Silva and Hazard we got Van Basten, Cruyff. Right, so who we packed? So we packed. Oh no, we packed Hazard. So Thiago Silva, Van Basten, James Griezmann, Pat Cruyff. We packed Thiago Silva. We got Firmino. I packed who it before. We got Rice once as well. It's not bad for 2 million coins. I mean, we did pack 2 icons, so it's not bad. But I thought we could have got a couple more walkouts, possibly team of the year. But we had double chance. But yeah, guys, go to the end of the video. Rate it and please like it. If you don't like it, please tell me in the comments. Maybe you can make it better next time. Please subscribe and peace out.